here. So that's the noise. Take off in first. You hear it there. Whine. Give it a second. Still hear it there. Trying to figure out here where in the transmission the noise is. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to shift to fourth. Now you only hear the exhaust leak, wherever that ticking noise is. That right there, that exhaust, ignore that, but the whine is gone. I'm in fourth gear. So in fourth gear, you're not using any of the gears. You're locked the input and the output shaft together. So input shaft, counter shaft, and the gear faces. So if it's in first and second, and you can also hear a little bit in third, but just hard because it's right there. I don't think the microphone's picking that up. So I'm thinking it's between the input shaft, gear set, and the counter shaft. I think the case hardening is coming off and making that noise. So if it was just a bearing, then even in fourth gear, those bearings are still turning, so they would still be making noise. This is more than that. The only way to tell for sure is to take the transmission apart. And in which case, if you're doing a gear set, you're also doing bearings. And it's a shame though, because this thing shifts so nice. And these old school Muxies, they were noisy anyways, right? So they weren't built for being quiet. They're built for reliability. And yeah, so I mean, it works in my vehicle. I may not worry about it. No time soon anyways. But yeah, the synchros are like butter. I mean, you wanted to, you can go with a 5-speed. Upgrade to Tremec or something like that. That way this thing would be just a lovely highway cruiser with an overdrive. But yeah, definitely not a clutch noise.